Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox error that says an unexpected error occurred. First, completely close Roblox. Make sure it is not running in the background. Find the Roblox player icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Roblox full permission to run. Try opening a game. If the error still appears, move to the next step. Now, we will clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R together. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and delete it. This removes corrupted Roblox data. Now we will disable memory integrity on Windows 11. Open the Start menu and search for Core Isolation. Open it from the results. Find memory integrity and turn it off. Restart your PC after disabling it. This step is important because it can block Roblox from working correctly. After restarting, uninstall Roblox. Open Search, go to Apps, then Add or Remove Programs. To find Roblox, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. After you find it, click on it and uninstall it. Restart your PC once more. After the restart, reinstall Roblox from the official Roblox website or the Microsoft Store only. Launch Roblox again and check if the error is fixed. In most cases, this solves the problem. Thanks for watching.